partner is shopping. Today we want to talk about the database and the data analysis. So we will introduce the database first. Database can be divided by two major parts. The first one is the SQL database. SQL is talk about a special purpose programming language designed for managing data, holding in relationship database management system, or for stream process in a relation data stream management system. SQL became a standard of American National Standards Institution in 1986 and of the International Organization for Standardization in 1987. Since then, the standard has been revised to include a large set of filters. There are a lot of major companies such as Google and Microsoft involved in SQL. Google Cloud SQL is the MySQL database that's used in Google's cloud. Google Cloud SQL is easy to use, do not require any software install or maintenance, and is ideal for small to medium-sized applications. Microsoft Azure is Microsoft's cloud computing platform, a growing connection of integrated service, analytic, computing, database, mobile, network, storage, and web for moving faster, achieving more, and saving money. There are several obvious benefits of Azure: scalable to thousands of databases, predictable performance, you can drive up or down, availability, backed by replications, uptime SLA, data protection visa identity, restore, geo-replication, programmatic, DBA, like functions, for efficient, DEVOPS, self-management for near-zero maintenance. And NoSQL often interpreted as not only SQL database provide a matchness for storage and retrieval of data. That is a method. It means other than the typical relation used in relations database. The NoSQL databases are increasingly used in big data and real-time web applications. NoSQL systems are also called not only SQL to emphasize that they may also support SQL like core language. The rise of NoSQL database marks the end of the era of relation database domains. It is designed to provide highly reliable, scalable, and available data storage across a configuration set of systems that function as a storage model. So after we finish talking about the database, we will move on to the data analysis. Data analysis is the process of analyzing facts, such as numbers, words, measurable, observation of events, just description of things, or get the useful information or prove theory. Database is the real important in people's lives and play more and more important roles in economy. There are 7 or 8 major methods of data analysis: classification the data, making a model of data, prediction of data, simple math, statistics, FFT, and smoothing and theory. The last one is the find the picking number of the data. Data mining is one of the process of knowledge discovery of database. It is also in the range of the data analysis. Data mining have a lot of complex methods to get the useful information from a huge amount of database. Data mining can be divided by 4 stages. The first one is 17th. The second one is public information, and the third one is electronic commerce. The fourth one is the software as a service. There are 6 methods of data mining: classification, examination, prediction, affinity, grouping or association rules, closity, test, picture video analysis. Cognitive computer refuse to develop a computer system model after the human brain. Original refuse to as the artificial intellect. Research began to use modern terms instead of in 1990s to indicate that the science was designed to teach computer to think like a human man rather than developing an artificial system. There are 2 methods of cognitive computer: make computer have humans' ability, try to think in the human way, or build a machine as human construction. So why are they important for data? With the development, more and more people realize the value of data because it's efficient, convenient, and fast. For the cognitive computer, it's the revolution of science. It's able to solve huge problems people meet in all the aspects of human lives. It makes people do whatever they cannot do. The future of data is very bright. With the technology of data analysis, business even able to accurate prediction what they need. The future of cognitive computer is also bright. Highly intelligent robots become possible and will serve humans just like people enjoyed by the humans. All, all 4 stream process use the database first. Today we want to talk about the database and the data design and at Google and Microsoft SQL increasingly used. Data analysis is the process of analyzing facts, such as numbers, words, may produce the database first, or get the human just like observation of event, just description of things. The first one is the SQL, and at Google and Microsoft is fact, such as numbers and of elite. The future of cognitive computer is also bright. Highly intelligent robots become possible and will serve humans just like people enjoying the better humans. Database can be divided and the data analyzed. So we will introduce the database first. Database can be divided by two major parts. The first one is the SQL database. SQL is talking about a special purpose programming language designed for managing data, holding in relationship database management system, or for stream process in a relation data stream management system. SQL became a standard of American National Standards Institution in 1986 and of the International Organization for Standardization in 1987. Since then, the standard has been revised to include a large set of filters. There are a lot of major companies such as Google and Microsoft involved in SQL. Google Cloud SQL is the MySQL database that's used in Google's cloud.